This 2018 Dutchmen Aerolite Luxury Class 294 RKSS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.